Box Optoelectronics introduces our new product, Butterfly Drive Module, product model, BDF-NS125HB. Our company can customize this product according to customer requirements, with a shell size of 130 by 170 by 73 mm. At the same time, this product is a butterfly-shaped drive module with 3 working modes: continuous mode control, internal pulse control, and external pulse control with TC temperature control, which integrates multiple functions. Debug range of different working modes: internal pulse mode frequency 100 Hz 5 MHz adjustable, external maximum control frequency 2 MHz. The internal and external pulse mode has an adjustable pulse width of 5 ns 200 us. It can meet your various needs for adjusting different butterfly lasers, with simple and convenient operation, making it easy for users to use. Butterfly Drive Module advantages: 1. Support standard Modbus protocol control and USB control command line control. 2. Support computer upper computer control. 3. Quick replacement of laser fixture with laser. 4. Equipped with protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, etc. 5. High stability, high anti-interference, and low noise. 6. LCD True Color LCD touchscreen, anti-industrial interference. 7. Having a friendly human-machine interface and fault diagnosis. Butterfly Drive Module main use and scope of use: 1. Semiconductor laser and seed source drive. 2. Control of nanosecond pulse laser. 3. Temperature control sources for experiments and scientific research. The copyright of this video ultimately comes from Box Optronics Tech.